Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading your data frame and confirming types. Make sure numeric columns are float or int so calculations work. Next, remove or impute missing values. Use median for skewed data. Then compute df, describe, and draw a histogram and box plot for the field you'll analyze. This reveals scale and potential extreme values. Once done, convert timestamps to data time if needed, and filter irrelevant rows, so subsequent outlier logic targets meaningful observations. You now compute formal metrics to flag outliers. For roughly normal distributions, calculate z-scores and filter abs, z3, this is fast and interpretable. For skewed data, use the IQR rule, compute Q1 and Q3, get ICR, then flag beyond Q1-1. 5 asterisk ICR or Q3 plus 1, 5 asterisk ICR. Once those basics are done, consider robust algorithms. Fit isolation forest or local outlier factor for multivariate anomalies, and scale features with robust scalar to reduce influence of extreme values. You finish by choosing how to handle flagged records. Drop them for cleansing, cap values with winsorization, or add a Boolean anomaly flag so models learn patterns. Validate your choice by plotting post-clean data, and if you have labels, compute precision/recall. If outputs look wrong, debug common issues. Incorrect scaling, categorical values encoded as numbers, duplicated rows, or time zone shifted timestamps. Make sure feature selection isn't hiding multivariate anomalies before rerunning your detectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.